Reaching for the stars, the future of space exploration. Welcome, fellow travelers, to an exciting journey into the future of space exploration. Now, when we think about space travel, we often picture rockets blasting off, astronauts floating in zero gravity, and maybe even colonies on Mars. But what we don't often consider are the unsung heroes, the organizations working tirelessly behind the scenes to make all of this possible. Today, we're going beyond the familiar names like NASA and SpaceX and diving into the world of intergovernmental organizations. These are the groups tackling the big questions, the ones shaping the future of space exploration through education, policy, and international cooperation. Get ready to explore the innovative projects and missions that will redefine our relationship with the cosmos. Because as we'll soon discover, the future of space exploration isn't just about reaching for the stars. It's about reaching for a future where we all have a place among them. Our first stop takes us to Latin America and the Caribbean, where the Centro Regional para el Fomento del Libro in America Latina y el Caribe, or CERLAL, is on a mission to ignite a passion for space in the hearts and minds of the next generation. Now, you might be thinking, a book organization? What do books have to do with space exploration? Well, my friends, everything. Imagine a child opening a book and being transported to the surface of Mars, or learning about the constellations that have guided explorers for centuries. That's the power of CERLAL. They're developing engaging and accessible educational materials that bring the wonders of space down to Earth. From interactive ebooks to captivating videos, CERLAL is ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to explore the cosmos. By fostering space literacy and awareness, CERLAL is planting the seeds for a future where the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts come from all corners of the globe. After all, the universe is vast, and we need all hands on deck to unravel its mysteries. Next, we journey to the halls of academia, where the European University Institute's Euclid program is hard at work on a different kind of spacecraft international space law and policy. Think of it this way. Just like we have rules of the road here on Earth to prevent chaos, we need rules in space to ensure responsible exploration and use of its resources. That's where Euclid comes in. They're educating the next generation of space lawyers, policymakers, and diplomats who will be responsible for shaping the future of space governance. From issues of space debris to the commercialization of space, Euclid is at the forefront of tackling the complex legal and ethical challenges that come with our increasing presence in space. It's about ensuring that space remains a global commons, accessible to all humankind, not just a select few. Because in the vast expanse of the cosmos, cooperation, not competition, is the key to our collective success. Our journey now takes us to the United Nations University, or UNU, where the focus shifts to the intersection of space exploration and sustainable development. Here, brilliant minds are grappling with a critical question. How can we use space technology to address some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet? From monitoring climate change to improving disaster response, UNU researchers are exploring the vast potential of space-based technologies to create a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Imagine using satellites to track deforestation in the Amazon, or to provide early warning systems for natural disasters in vulnerable communities. That's the kind of impact UNU is striving for, leveraging the power of space to benefit humanity right here on Earth. It's a powerful reminder that space exploration isn't just about what's out there, it's about using that knowledge to build a better future for everyone down here. Chapter 4, European University Institute, Unveiling the Socio-Economic Impact of Space. Our next stop takes us back to the European University Institute, where a different kind of exploration is taking place, one that delves into the socio-economic impacts of space missions. Because let's face it, space exploration is an expensive endeavor. And while the scientific discoveries and technological advancements are undeniably valuable, it's crucial to understand the broader impact of these missions on society. The European University Institute is pioneering research that examines the economic benefits of space exploration, from job creation in the aerospace industry to the development of new technologies that have applications here on Earth. But they're also looking at the bigger picture, exploring how space exploration can inspire future generations, foster global cooperation, and even challenge our philosophical understanding of our place in the universe. It's about ensuring that the pursuit of space knowledge goes hand in hand with a commitment to using that knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Because ultimately, the greatest discoveries are those that benefit us all. Chapter 5. European Schools, Planting the Seeds of Space Exploration in Young Minds. Hold on to your hats, folks, because our next destination is out of this world, literally. We're blasting off to the European schools, where a new generation of space explorers is being nurtured. Now, these aren't your average schools. These institutions are integrating space science into their curriculum, igniting a passion for discovery in students from a young age. Imagine classrooms transformed into mini mission control centers, with students designing experiments, building rockets, and tracking the International Space Station. That's the kind of hands-on, immersive learning experience that's happening in European schools. By fostering a love of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM, these schools are preparing students to become the future innovators, problem solvers, and yes, even astronauts who will shape the future of space exploration. It's a reminder that investing in education is investing in the future, and that the journey to the stars begins with a single step in the classroom. Chapter 6. University for Peace. Promoting Peace Among the Stars. Our cosmic journey now takes us to the University for Peace, or UPeace, where the focus is on ensuring that our ventures into space are driven by cooperation, not conflict. You see, space is vast and full of potential, but it also presents us with new challenges and ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure that space remains a peaceful domain for all humankind? How do we prevent the weaponization of space? These are the questions that UPeace is grappling with, promoting dialogue, understanding, and international cooperation as essential elements of responsible space exploration. Through its educational programs and research initiatives, UPeace is fostering a new generation of peace builders and diplomats who understand the importance of diplomacy, conflict resolution, and international law in the context of space. It's a reminder that the pursuit of peace knows no earthly bounds, and that our ventures into space should be guided by the same values of cooperation and understanding that we strive for here on Earth. Chapter 7. Ahoy, mateys! Our next stop takes us to the high seas, or rather, high above them, as we explore the work of the World Maritime University, or WMU. Now you might be wondering, what does maritime safety have to do with space exploration? Well, prepare to be amazed, because WMU is at the forefront of using satellite technology to enhance maritime safety and environmental monitoring. Imagine a world where we can track ships in real time, monitor ocean currents, and even detect oil spills from space. That's the kind of transformative potential that WMU is unlocking by harnessing the power of space technology. From improving navigation and communication to supporting search and rescue operations, WMU's work is making our oceans safer, cleaner, and more sustainable. It's a reminder that the benefits of space exploration extend far beyond the cosmos, touching every aspect of our lives here on Earth. Chapter 8. International Institute for the Unification of Private Law. Laying down the law for private space ventures. Fasten your seatbelts, everyone, because our next destination is a wild ride into the rapidly evolving world of private space exploration. Here, the International Institute for the Unification of Private Law is hard at work creating the legal frameworks that will guide this new era of space exploration. As private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin push the boundaries of space travel, it's crucial to have clear legal guidelines in place to ensure responsible and sustainable development. Think of it like this. Just like we have laws governing businesses here on Earth, we need laws governing businesses in space. The International Institute for the Unification of Private Law is working to harmonize these laws, creating a level playing field for private companies and ensuring that space remains accessible to all. From liability issues to intellectual property rights, they're tackling the complex legal challenges that come with the commercialization of space, paving the way for a future where space is no longer the exclusive domain of governments. Chapter 9. Asian Institute of Technology. Powering Space Innovation in the Asia-Pacific. Our journey now takes us to the vibrant Asia-Pacific region, where the Asian Institute of Technology, or AIT, is leading the charge in space technology research and development. From designing cutting-edge satellites to developing innovative applications for space technology, AIT is at the forefront of establishing the Asia-Pacific region as a major player in the global space arena. Imagine a future where satellites monitor natural disasters in the Pacific Rim, provide internet access to remote communities, and even help farmers optimize crop yields. That's the kind of transformative impact that AIT is working towards. By fostering collaboration between academia, industry, and government, AIT is creating a thriving space ecosystem in the region, nurturing the next generation of space scientists and engineers. It's a testament to the global nature of space exploration and the incredible potential that can be unlocked when we work together across borders. Chapter 10. IHE Delft Institute for Water Education. Quenching our thirst for knowledge from space. Our final destination takes us to the Netherlands, where the IHE Delft Institute for Water Education is making waves by exploring the use of space-based technologies for water resource management. Now you might be thinking, water? From space? How does that work? Well, get ready to be amazed, because IHE Delft is using satellites to monitor water resources from orbit, providing crucial information about water availability, quality, and usage. Imagine being able to track drought conditions, predict floods, and even monitor groundwater levels, all from space. That's the kind of game-changing potential that IHE Delft is unlocking. By harnessing the power of space technology, they're helping us address one of the most pressing challenges facing our planet: water scarcity. It's a powerful reminder that the solutions to our most pressing problems often lie in the most unexpected places, and that space exploration has the potential to make a real difference in the lives of people here on Earth. Outro, our future among the stars. And there you have it, explorers, a glimpse into the incredible work being done by intergovernmental organizations to shape the future of space exploration. From inspiring the next generation of astronauts to ensuring that space remains a peaceful and sustainable domain for all humankind, these organizations are laying the groundwork for a future where the stars are not the limit, but the beginning. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions about the universe around us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.